Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to show about new Tron concept. So this is a decentralized open source platform blockchain technology, and this concept name is Tron Blockchain Smart Contract. The website is www.tronblockchains.org. So the smart contracts are the digital agreement protocols are automatically executing functionally codes developed on the blockchain platform. There are various blockchain platforms like Tron, Ethereum, etc. are used to execute smart contracts, which means they can be executed automatically without the involvement of a third party. The smart contracts deployed on the blockchain networks are immutable, that is, the smart contract cannot be altered or changed. So the Tron blockchain 100% decentralized community support fund built on Tron blockchain technology, and 100% secure, and it's verified in official Tron scan smart contract. It's fully open source and also 100% automatically without a human intervention, and all the interaction and transactions are open to all, transparent to all. So this is a more secure and globalization concept and high performance and blockchain decentralized encryption. So this the benefit is 5 types of benefit. One is daily ROI 200% income, and daily sponsor direct sponsor 33%, global auto pool 30 million Tron you can earn, level bonus 10%, package matching 40 million Tron. So now going to see, this is the 8 packages. Minimum we are going to join in 300 Tron. So in 300 Tron, binary income, ROI income and global auto ID is opened, and the ROI is daily 0.5% return on your deposit. So maximum 400 days. This is 100% passive. So direct sponsor bonus is 33%. If you introduce one person 300 Tron, you get 99 Tron, because 33% income Tron you will get 99 Tron you will get. So 33% every direct referral. So unlimited direct referral this company will given, and the level bonus 10%. So only 2 levels only. So how many direct you will given? So 5% level up income, minimum 3 referral, and second level also 5% given. So this is the matching bonus. If you join 300 Tron, one pair match 15 Tron. So to minimum is said 300 pairs 4500 Tron you will get in first package, and then same you re-top up in second block, third block to 8th block deep. You will get 5% in every first pair, and maximum 300 pairs. So 40 million Tron you earn just to invest in 300 Tron. And this is a global auto full bonus. So 7 generation global auto full Tron will be given. So first generation 1000 Tron you give 3 direct, and second 6 direct. So total, if you get you total yourself 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21. So total direct how much you total, and maximum I think this is 17 direct sponsor 100 below, because minimum 300 Tron every person will be joined. So you will get 30 million Tron earned. This is a global auto full income. So this is the general generation 3 refer. So you check this PDF. So withdrawal is 24/7 multiple times day, no limit for a minimum coin. So how to get started? So see my description, my link is there. So copy the link and go to paste the Tron wallet or token packet or Tron Link Pro, whatever you have. So copy and paste, and then you join the 300 Tron. So please wait and don't back, because if the transaction is finished, then only you came back. Otherwise the transaction amount 26 Tron the company will get. So if you join 300 Tron, extra 26 or 27 Tron transaction fees. So total 350 Tron kept in your wallet, then you register. Okay, so I have a token packet wallet, so I register in token packet wallet. So this is a tree structure and business plan, all the details is here, you go to check. So I joined 300 package, so immediately you go for next block, second block. So if I buy, if I have the Tron, I will buy. So that's your wish. So this is our address, sponsor address and upline address, all the details is there. So this is one of the referral link, two types of referral link. So the left side this is a referral link, and right side this is a referral link. What position your referral will join. So you copy the link and send to the link in our WhatsApp or wherever it is. So this is a ROI daily income. So I joined 300 deposit. So the timing is running. I joined 2 hours more. So next day the 0.5% order will given. So same I will open the block, he will given, and this is a auto global pool bonus. This is the level bonus income and pair matching. This is a pair matching. Left count one person will join and right person not will come. So I will send the link in my description. Right and left you will join or wherever it is. So this is my deposit place. Moreover, the total deposit all time 95,700 Tron, and the smart contract balance is 51,210, and now only the concept is launched. So total community participate is 285% only. So thanks for watching this video. If any doubt, join my WhatsApp group. I will send the answer this PDF. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel. So once again, thank you.